Hi, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Rich Side Insider, a place where future millionaires come together to get ideas. Today, we're going to talk about SHLL, Hylion stock prediction. Should we buy, hold, or sell? If this is your first time to Rich Side Insider, we talk about stock investment, real estate investment, and also other types of investment, how to make more money and get rich in life. So, if you want to make more money and succeed in life, make sure you hit the bell button and subscribe so you do not miss any of our videos. Holy moly, look at this. 33.73% increase in one day. Just one day is $40. So it used to be 29.91 on August 23rd, but it closed at $40 on August 24th. That's crazy. The ticker symbol SHLL Tortoise Acquisition Corp listed on NYSE. So what happened? So we're gonna talk about Tortoise Acquisition Corp, SHLL, and Hylion, and why is the stock rising so much, and estimated valuation of the company, and also my prediction what I may do. It's gonna be somewhere in the video, so you make sure you watch the video until the end. So if you have any stocks you would like me to feature on this channel, make sure you comment below as well. So look at this. I bought the stock at 26.34 and now it's 40. That's 51.83% gain in within 6 days. That's crazy. I bought it on August 18th, so within 6 days, it's already 51.83%. If you also bought this stock, so comment below as well. I would really love to know. So what's happening here? So there was a news came out on August 19th. Hylion and Dyna joined forces with idealease to demonstrate hybrid system for Class A vehicles. So this is idealease. This is a leading truck leasing company to conduct national tour of Hylion hybrid powertrain technology for U.S. commercial fleets. So this is a very very big news because idealease is North America's premier full service commercial truck leasing and rental maintenance company. So there's gonna be a lot of customers gonna know what Hylion is, because if they are going to demonstrate on their to idealease customer, this is a great news. And another great news is that Tortoise Acquisition Corp number 2 filed an IPO, another IPO. This is not really another great news because it is just a different company. So by Robinhood investor do not know that this is an entirely different company that's gonna be traded in the symbol SNPR. It's not SHLL, but for some reason, because of this news SHLL stock jump because they think that, oh, this is really great news. Robinhood loser, really. That's why the amount of speculation in the market is so much. If they hear something like even the Tortoise acquisition number 2, they just bought SHLL, which is Tortoise Acquisition Corp. This is so crazy, but you know what? Whatever it takes to make money, right? Yeah. So another thing is that after if they combine, Tortoise Acquisition is a blank company, so they don't have any company as underlying business, so they are just a name. This company, so they are going to acquire Hylion company. So once they acquire this company, after the merger is completed, they have a legitimate business. So this is estimated to be valued in excess of 1.5 billion. So with the proceeds, 560 million is gonna utilize to accelerate product commercialization and product productions, operational growth, and for general corporate purposes. And Hylion already have a product, versus compared to Nikola. Nikola doesn't have a product yet, but Hylion already have a product. They are going to produce it. They also have a customer order as well. So the margins is going to be expected complete by the end of September. So the third quarter of 2020. So that's why investors are buying shares because they expect after completions the Hylion start to jump, and also the partnership between Hylion and Dana also with the idealease also help with the stock price as well. So look at this. Before this, look at this valuation right now, 1.17 billion. I want you to remember this one because we're gonna talk about it in the later videos. 1.17 billion right now, current market cap of the company. Market cap is basically, if you are new to the stock investing, market cap is the price of the share multiplies by the number of the shares outstanding. So that's going to give you market cap. So and they are expected to exceed 1.5 billion. So basically, this price is stay pretty low. That's what they are saying. So just remember that 1.5 billion expected valuation after the merger. So the stock price jump crazy. So how do we get estimated valuations? So they have outstanding shares of 29.13 million. So market cap about 1.15 billion. So the stock price is $40. So but after, if they are estimated to become 1.5 billion company, so estimated stock price gonna be 51.49. So how do I get it? I just calculate using these three numbers. So yeah, so basically 1.5 billion divided by outstanding shares gonna give you the stock price. So 51.49. So there's gonna be bonus video coming soon in the later part of the presentation. So what to do now? So if you are just deciding, should I buy, should I hold, or should I sell, the stock, and you should know what Warren Buffett said. Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. So if you have done your due diligence, if you really like the business, then it might be a good idea to buy. And only buy something that you will be perfectly happy to hold if the market shut down for the next 10 years. And nonetheless, you should not hold so much cash in hand, because cash pays you virtually nothing, and it's starting to depreciate in value. And success comes from knowing what you don't know. So make sure you you invest in your stock, investing education. So study, due diligence, then you're gonna succeed. So make sure you subscribe, share this video. It means a lot to this channel. It means a lot to me. Also hit the like button. So there are useful links for you in the description. You can get free audiobooks and free stocks. There are 3 links. You open accounts, so you can even buy high price stock like Tesla, Amazon, Apple, even if you have only $10. So I have a link below as well. So if you want to become a realtor, you can get licensing. It's gonna be below as well. If you are thinking about getting an interest-free credit card for 1 year, so the links below as well. If you're paying more than $15 a month for your mobile phone, you're paying too much. So I have the link below. I use it, I like it. Unlimited talking, testing, and data slows down after 2 or 3 gigs, depending on the package you choose. And if you want to win free travel credits, the links below as well. So now comes the bonus. So this is gonna be Nikola Corporations, listed on Nasdaq. Look at the market cap valuations, 14.66 billion. Remember, this company hit the all-time high of $93. Now it's only $38. So that's pretty much crazy. After the merger, the stock just shot up like crazy, even though they don't have any product yet. And so I'm thinking, hey, Nikola versus SHLL, which is a better buy? So just imagine, here Hylion already have a product, so they are ready to ship and ready to manufacture. They also can demonstrate what it does. So if Hylion just becomes just like Nikola, I'm not talking about $98 price valuation. If it's just like $38, 14.68 billion company like Nikola, how much could the stock price should be? So I think the calculations, so based on the outstanding shares of 29.13 million and market cap, the stock price could be $503. That's insane, crazy. And anything could happen, like they could be issuing more stocks, more issues as well. So that could happen. So the stock price, I personally, I don't think it's gonna hit 503. But what could happen was that the stock price could reach between $45 and $100 between now and after completion of merger. So easily, if Hylion keeps doing what they are doing and to do a great jobs, and that could be easily $45 to $100. But if there's something goes wrong, or a bad news come out, whatever, and any reason, stock market could change. If there are more cases are rising, there also there's conflict between China and US, anything could happen between now and then. If the vaccine, something goes wrong with the vaccine and there is no vaccine at all, the stock price could also drop as well. So for now, I may hold, but if I see the price drop to really nice price below $30, I may add more. So just a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not investment advice to buy or sell or anything. So do your own independent research. This is just my ideas, my opinions. All investment have risk, and you can make a lot of money or you can lose all your money. So if you want to reach out to me, the best way, comment in the description below and in the comment section of YouTube or Facebook or any social media. You can also reach out to me on Facebook and Instagram as well. So I would really love to know where you are watching from. Comment your city, state, and country below, and ask me if you have any questions. Subscribe YouTube, like and see first Facebook, and follow Instagram. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.